Dear students, today we will see some important notations, some important symbols, and some important rules of derivatives. Firstly, we will keep using the word differentiation. Actually, differentiation is the process of finding the derivative. So in our questions, we will use differentiate the given function, or we can say find the derivative of the given function. So both are same. Now let us see some notations. The symbol d by dx it denotes the operation of differentiation. Suppose we have a function y equals fx. In this case, the derivative of y or fx with respect to x, this is denoted by dy by dx, or we can write it as df by dx. Or we can write it as d by dx of fx. Or we can write it as y prime. Or we can also write it as f prime x. Now suppose we are talking about derivative of the function y or fx at a point x equal to a. This will be denoted by f prime a, or we can write it as dy by dx at x equal to a, or we can write it as df by dx at x equal to a, or we can write it as d by dx of the function fx at the point x equal to a.
Now let us write some important rules of differentiation.
Suppose c is a constant. And we have two functions, fx and gx, and both of these functions are differentiable. It means that the derivative of fx and the derivative of gx exists. In this case, the function cf is also differentiable. The function f plus g, this is also differentiable. The function f minus g, this is also differentiable. The function f multiplied by g, this is also differentiable. And last, f divided by g, this is also differentiable. Now, if these functions are differentiable, what is the derivative?
For that, we will write 5 rules now. Rule number 1 says
that the derivative of CF is equal to C multiplied by the derivative of F. The derivative of F plus G is equal to derivative of f plus derivative of g. The derivative of f minus g is equal to derivative of f minus derivative of g. The derivative of f multiply g is equal to f multiply derivative of g plus g multiply derivative of f. The derivative of f by g is equal to g multiply derivative of f minus f multiply derivative of g divided by g square.
here g should be non-zero.
Rule number 4 is called as multiplication or product rule. And rule number 5 is called as division or quotient rule.